All right. So this is my Turn X Master Grade Custom. But was designed, at least the goal for me is to work on my scribing skills with this kit because I suck at it. So I needed a lot of practice. The theme that I chose to do is the goal that I was going for with this look is more organic than mechanical, hence the very random scribe designs that I made, like the circles and the random scribe lines that I did for it. There's no rhyme or reason, and it also is pretty good that I thought of it that way because this is a weird kit to begin with anyways and very asymmetrical, so there's no reason for me to be doing any kind of uniformed scribing designs on the kit. Also, what I was thinking when I was making this kit is I was thinking about making it look alien-like too. I don't know if anybody's seen that Tom Cruise movie where the aliens are like sucking up people's blood and stuff. It's called War of the Worlds. So same concept. The red panel lines that I did, that's supposed to be blood, or at least that's the what do you call that? That's the lore I am coming up with this kit. And also, it doesn't help that the backpack for this kit looks like a heart. The majority of the size of the chisels that I use for this kit is 0.2, 0.015, and 0.4. Those are the ones that I use for the let me see here, for the circle designs that I made. I used this drill right over here. That's what I did. I think it's a mini drill, I don't know, Dremel, whatever. I don't know what it's called. Quickly here, I'll be talking about the paint that I use for the kit. I will start with the primers first. So the first one that I use is the black surfacer from Splash Paint right there. That's the one I use for primer. And I also use the white primer for the white parts. I definitely recommend to use white primers to if you're gonna paint with white, to make it easier for you to paint, because I've suddenly found out that painting white is a bitch to paint with. For the main white color, I use the Mr. Color Off-White right there. For the inner frames, this shifting paint here, the turquoise violet. This is also the same paint that I use for my Master Grade Unicorn that I customed a while back. And for the two tones of red, I use the Mr. Metallic Color GX Metal Bloody Red. That's what I use. In order for me to achieve the two different tones of red, some of the parts I primed it with black, and that's how I am able to achieve the darker tone of red. And then the other ones, I just primed. The one that I did, the brighter red, I primed it with white. That's how I'm able to achieve two different tones of red. I didn't really do a lot of stuff for this kit except for working on my scribing, because I needed work on that, and I think I did pretty good. I didn't use any of his weapons because I feel like I'm gonna use this for something else. This 3 right here, or 4. There's also that dumb looking one that looks like a minigun. It's like right here. I didn't use that either. I'll probably use that for another kit. I don't know yet which one, but I'm gonna use it for something else. This is definitely my favorite work so far. It's the cleanest I've made, and also it has been a while since I worked on a Master Grade. I forgot how easy it is to work on them, because the surfaces are so big that it's easy to make these kinds of designs for the kit. I like how this paint scheme turned out, so I'm probably gonna use it again because I want to do like a final boss type design. Like, I'm gonna use this for 5 more villain kits, and I'm gonna make them like a final boss type of stuff. So it's gonna be the same thing, same designs with the red stuff and all that. The red design and the red panel lines that I used. The paint that I used to paint the panel lines is an enamel paint, which is this one right here from Testers. It is Stoplight Red. So the way I achieved the red lines with this is I just hand painted it, and then I just erased it with the Gaia Note. Where is it? The Gaia Notes finisher. I think that's what it's called right here. That's how I am able to clean it with enamels. Okay. Oh, and before I forget, I use Pledge for the top coat for this kit. Definitely happy with how this turned out. I wasn't sure that I was gonna pull this off, but it's good. I like it. I like how it definitely turned out. Pretty cool, alien-like, more organic, less mechanical. It's perfect. I like it. It's my favorite work so far, and I hope I could keep improving from here. That's it for me. Subscribe if you like. Everybody stay safe, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.